Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to watch Peacock on Xbox One, explained clearly and step by step so you can start streaming movies, TV shows, and live sports on your console. Step 1. Power on your Xbox One and connect to the internet. Make sure your Xbox One is turned on, connected to a stable internet connection, and signed in to your Microsoft account. Step 2. Open the Microsoft Store. From the Xbox home screen, scroll to Store and open the Microsoft Store using your controller. Step 3. Search for the Peacock app. Inside the store, select Search and type Peacock TV. Look for the official Peacock app published by NBC Universal. Step 4. Download and install Peacock. Select the Peacock app from the search results and choose Get or Install. The app will download and install automatically on your Xbox One. Step 5. Launch Peacock on Xbox One. Once installation is complete, return to the home screen and open the Peacock app. Step 6. Sign in or create a Peacock account. If you already have a Peacock account, sign in using your email and password. New users can select Sign Up and follow the on-screen steps to create an account. Step 7. Activate the app if prompted. In some cases, an activation code will appear on your screen. Visit the activation website shown, sign in to your Peacock account, and enter the code to link your Xbox One. Step 8. Start streaming on Xbox One. After signing in, browse movies, TV shows, Peacock originals, and live sports directly on your Xbox One. You're now ready to enjoy Peacock on Xbox One. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more simple step-by-step streaming and gaming tutorials.